You're almost giving up on your trading dreams, and I know exactly why. You've lost more than you're comfortable admitting, and that pain is real. But here's the truth. If you've been failing, it's not because the markets are rigged. It's because nobody taught you to trade smart, not hard. And that, my friend, is changing today. I'm the voice guiding you through this maze of charts. And if you're still trying to win big on every trade, stick with me and listen. Because I'm not here to sell you empty hype or promise overnight riches. I'm here to give you tried and tested steps, a clear path, and an assistant that actually works. I am helped by a robot advisor who monitors the indicators every second. He gives recommendations and reports. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the Trial Signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try the trading bot today. Okay, $Frank, 5 minutes. The bot gave me a recommendation, active sell, 9 red indicators. Based on historical data, I see that the market will now feel overbought, which will lead to a bounce from the resistance zone and a new downward local momentum. Friends, I have accelerated the price movement for easy viewing. To not miss new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Like and comment. Your feedback is important to us. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. It is not financial advice. I show how I do it. Let's be real. The foundation of successful trading is not prediction. It's preservation. If you blow your account today, there's no tomorrow to trade. That's why you must never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total deposit on any single trade. This isn't a rule. This is your lifeline. With $100, that's $1 to $2 per trade. Keep it safe and you stay in the game. Everything else, strategy, signals, indicators, only matters if you've got capital left to use. I started like most of you, eager, hungry, convinced I could flip a few $100s into thousands. I was slipping into risky traps, leveraging big, ignoring rules, and every loss felt like an emotional avalanche. My turning point came when I discovered my assistant. Let's call it the signals assistant. It didn't promise me the moon. Instead, it helped me enforce discipline. I began trading with 1 to 2% risk, following structured signals and journaling every move. Over time, those tiny gains added up. That rocket launch I craved, it came. Slow at first, but now it's consistent, powerful, sustainable. Here's what most traders do. They treat trading like a gamble. You know the pattern. They see a spike, feel FOMO, dump half their account in a panic trade. Then they rationalize, this one's different, but markets don't care about your story, and you're not starring in the Wolf of Wall Street blockbuster. You're in control, or you should be. Chasing quick wins is a trap. It's the fast track to learning painful lessons. So I did a quality first deal. Now it's time for the second. The investment is 2%, strictly money management. Recommendation from AI, active selling. 8 indicators are burning red, showing the continued dominance of sellers at a distance of 5 minutes. The periodicity of data update in the robot is 1 minute. From the historical data, we can see a large array of red bars in the past 10 minutes. The histogram shows us this. The bears took advantage of the strong downward momentum. I think a consolidation period is about to start, but the seller's advantage will not be used up yet. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages, link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. And yes, I will re-emphasize this point. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. How to act correctly? Set your risk. Commit no more than 1-2% of your total account per trade. Define entry criteria. Don't trade without clear triggers, breakouts, specific patterns. Use your signals assistant. Before entry, consult it for confirmation, volatility, trend, momentum. Record everything. Journal entry price, rationale, outcome, emotion. Review weekly. Spot repeating mistakes and winning setups. Double down on what works. Last week, I flagged a USD and EUREEK entry move. I risked $10 on a $1,000 account, 1%. Entry confirmed by trend and momentum. I kept it until the signal hit its predefined exit. That was an $8 gain on a single trade. Multiply that over dozens of trades with discipline, you see where consistency beats occasional fireworks. Now here's the real talk. You can claim my AI assistant for free, forever, but only if you act within the next 30 days. After that, it switches to a paid subscription, and this offer vanishes. That's your window. Once it's gone, it's gone. You want this edge? Now's the time. So here's what you do next. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Drop me a comment. What about your money management, your indicators, your journaling? What's got you stuck right now? Subscribe for more trading insights, no fluff, no unrealistic promises. And check the description for the link to snag your free assistant.